Hello everyone, my name is Siva Arasu. I'm a regional sales manager for ZOLLER India. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. We have displayed our Zoller power shrink machine. Machine is capable enough to shrink up to 480 millimeter in terms of length. The diameter we can just shrink up to like 32 millimeter. And here we have a nice software system which can guide us like how the process is defined. Right after selecting, then you can just position the coil diameter with respect to the selected diameter. Then it will just start create the shrinking process. After the shrinking process is done, then you can just move your tooling to the cooling station. Then you'll have a non-contact type cooling socket that immediately you can just cool down your tooling. Zoller is basically a German-based MNC. We found this company in 1945, and in year 2025 we have completed 80 years. Zoller is dealing with 7 vertical of solutions, that is presetting and measuring machines, tool inspection machines, tool management solutions, automation solution, and then like you can see tooling with the additive technology, shrinking technology, and the balancing technology. So this is a wider range of solutions we are catering to the industry, like aerospace, automobile, die and mold. You can see like electronic segment, EMS industry, and wherever the metal cutting is there, our solutions are appropriately like usable one.